bite matches, alright? They've got 10 hot dogs for each pair to consume, alright? Now Tom, the goose, what he's gonna do is, he's gonna take them on, 10 hot dogs, but he's gonna do it all by himself. So Tom's gonna eat 10 hot dogs, and he's gonna try to match 2 people eating the same thing, alright? Can you, Kyle and Tom? We'll find out.
Paano na po ang preparation na ginawa niyo for Sir Jenny? Wala. Pero malakas po ang loob niyo Sir, kayo po sa lahat po ng muscle niyo mukhang pinagandaan niyo ng...
Nakakailangan po, mahirap akong kumain ako sa sumabri.
Gusto na lang po, so pag-ida na po si Tom sa inyo ngayon. Pagbigyan na po natin, bisita naman
Yeah!
Kaya na dyan ang sabi na. Boss, are you excited? Kamusta naman ating mga competitors dyan?
We're gonna meet our team over here, Susie. These guys have the eye of the tiger, Susie. These guys are serious! Serious! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's meet this pair over here, hailing from... Where are you guys from? Hero! They're so hungry, they forgot where they're from, ladies and gentlemen. From Manila, let's call them the Manila Munchers, the digestive duo. We got Sunny and Cher. Sunny and Carlo. Sunny and Carlo. Carlo's so hungry, he ate his name tag. This guy is serious, alright? Now, just to be clear, Susie, let's just clear this up. The Big Bite match, you only have to consume the hot dogs, alright? You don't necessarily have to finish the drink, okay? Let's clear that up. You don't necessarily have to finish the drink, but you must eat all the hot dogs, okay? So once again, the rules of this particular match that we have here, we've got 2 pairs facing Tom, and between them they're going to eat 10 hot dogs between each pair, but Tom is going to eat 10 hot dogs by himself, alright? So the stage is set, and we've got a serious match over here.
Join me.
So as per rules, during any Big Bite match, any 7-Eleven store, you can set up the hot dogs any way you want. You can take them out of the box, set them up any way you like. Tom's making his preparations over here.
Alright, so hot dog side by side, as long as before you start, the hands should be on the side. And of course, we have individual timers for each group, or one for Tom, and then one for group A and group T and group B. And then we'll, of course, all go at the same time on the seat. Who's going to finish the 10 hot dogs?
There's a lot of loud noises coming from the stomachs of these 2 gentlemen over here. I can hear what you're saying. There's a lot of rumping going on over here. This is how it works over at 7-Eleven, right? You guys are cheering. Take that big bite of it. This is what we want. We want you to come up here, Makana. Who's going to go to the store and take on the Big Bite match? Standing out, he's getting pretty serious. Those hot dogs are quaking in their buns. They're pretty serious. So once again, if I'm looking at here, folks, we got 10 hot dogs. We need all our competitors. 2 people with 10 hot dogs are